हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लर्न विथ सोम्या चैनल। यही वीडियो रे हमें सीपीटी एग्जाम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर रो डिस्कशन करिबा। तो चलंतु स्टार्ट करिबा आज रो वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, द लिस्ट जस्टिफिएबल यूज ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ ए स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड reading test is to our answer of option number C serve as a basis for report card marks. तापर क्वेश्चन 15-year-old Arvind has taken to wearing the same style sweaters that her teacher wears. This form of behavior is known as our answer of option number C identification. तापर क्वेश्चन at least 1/3 of learning that will determine later levels of school achievement has already taken place by age 6. This is a statement most closely associated with the writing of our answer of option number A Benjamin Bloom. तापर क्वेश्चन one of the following the most unreliable predictor of educational achievement is our answer of option number B ethnic origin of parents. तापर क्वेश्चन द स्कूल्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर विल बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड along more flexible lines to permit students to move at their own rate rather than remain in fixed groups. Of the following, the one that is not an example of this philosophy is our answer of option number E pre-kindergarten classes. तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा oral reading is today's school. our answer of option number B is appropriate when it is purposeful. तापर क्वेश्चन in September a teacher while reviewing the guidance file of one of her pupils reads this notation written by last year's teacher. Mohan is very bright but I can't get him to do work and he is a real nuisance. The teacher is best advised to our answer of option number D asked last year's teacher to describe some typical situation in which Mohan made a nuisance of himself. तापर क्वेश्चन the school should be responsible for all of the following health services except our answer about treating sick children. तापर क्वेश्चन teachers are most likely to play an intelligent role in curriculum improvement when they our answer of option number C participate with other staff members in devising the curriculum for the school. तापर क्वेश्चन the best type of motivating question is one that our answer of option number E raises a problem for the class to solve. तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा if majority of students in your class are weak you should our answer of option number D keep your teaching slow along with some extra guidance to bright pupils. तापर क्वेश्चन if some of your pupils misbehave with you in the college campus you must our answer of option number C improve their behavior by your own character and scholarship. तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा a teacher in the class should keep the pitch of his voice our answer of option number A high enough. तापर क्वेश्चन if some students fail in the examination it is the fault of our answer of option number C pupils themselves. तापर क्वेश्चन a teacher who is not able to draw the attention of his students should our answer of option number A evaluate his teaching method and improve it. तापर क्वेश्चन if backbenchers are always talking in the classroom a teacher should our answer of option number C ask them to sit on the front benches. तापर क्वेश्चन a teacher our answer of option number D all of the above. तो our answer टा हबो a teacher should introduce the lesson before he starts teaching. A teacher should have command over his language. A teacher should have command over his subject. तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा if a teacher is not able to answer the question of a pupil he should our answer of option number A say that he will answer after consultation. तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा arrange the following teaching process in order our answer of option number D 4 1 5 2 3 देखिए 4 रे कौन अच्छे फॉर्मुलेटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स तापर आसीबो रिलेटिंग द प्रेजेंट नॉलेज विथ द प्रीवियस नॉलेज तापर आसीबो प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मटेरियल्स तापर आसीबो इवैल्यूएशन तापर रीटीचिंग तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा यूज ऑफ टेलीकास्ट मटेरियल्स हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर ए एनहांस कंसंट्रेशन एंड लर्निंग तापर क्वेश्चन if students are not able to follow you should हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी illustrate with examples तापर क्वेश्चन माइक्रो टीचिंग इज यूजफुल टू स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी हायर क्लासेस एंड प्राइमरी क्लासेस बोथ if remarks are passed by students on you as a teacher you will हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी बी impartial at the time of evaluation तापर क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमम पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज पॉसिबल इन टीचिंग थ्रू हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी डिस्कशन मेथड तापर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट सिंगल फैक्टर इन अंडरलाइंग द सक्सेस ऑफ बिगिनिंग ए टीचर हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी पर्सनालिटी एंड इट्स एबिलिटी टू रिलेटेड टू द क्लास एंड टू द पीपल्स तापर क्वेश्चन द ग्रेटेस्ट इंपोर्टेंट कॉज ऑफ फेल्युअर इन बिगिनिंग फॉर ए टीचर लाइज इन द एरिया ऑफ हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर ए इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप तापर क्वेश्चन ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर्स ऑफ एन इफेक्टिव टीचर एक्सेप्ट हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी एम्फासाइज upon the quick control of the problematic situation तापर क्वेश्चन an effective teaching means all of the following except हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी a teacher finds fault in his students the field of education is permeated by conflicts and misconception because हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी problems encountered in teaching are not unable to rigorous scientific investigation तापर क्वेश्चन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कैरियर कोर्सेस इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस एम्स एट हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर ए डेवलपिंग द एबिलिटी टू मेक द इंटेलिजेंट चॉइस ऑफ जॉब्स तापर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वुड बी योर अप्रोच इफ ए स्टूडेंट्स इंटरप्रेट इन योर क्लासेस हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी यू विल असेस हिज रीजंस to do the same how would you prefer to address a student who has not completed his homework हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी why did you not complete it schools should be concerned with the development of child which should include हर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी acquisition of life skills by the child तापर क्वेश्चन द मेन रीजन फॉर नॉन अचीवमेंट ऑफ फुल लिटरेसी इन इंडिया इज आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी लैक ऑफ विल टू अचीव द गोल द मेन पर्पज ऑफ पेरेंट टीचर एसोसिएशन इन एनी स्कूल इज टू आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी इन्वॉल्व पेरेंट्स फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ स्कूल फंक्शनिंग students gives a partially correct response to your question then you will our answer of option number b provide reinforcement school can be called a social agent if our answer of option number d it organizes various activities one basic difference between traditional schools and open learning school is that our answer of option number D the former carry personal touch school can be considered a dash group as far as socializing agency is concerned our answer of option number B secondary when a school can be considered a secondary group as far as socializing agency is concerned. Which of the following statements is not true? Our answer of option number A acquisition of life skill is part of maturation. A student wants to share his problem with his teacher and visit the teacher for the same at his home. In such a situation, the teacher should. Our answer of option number C, extend reasonable help and boost his morale. If a student alleges against you for showing favoritism in evaluation of scripts, how would you deal with him? Our answer of option number D, show his answer book and few more. The major responsibility with which school personnel have been entrusted is that of. Our answer about option number B, adjusting the child to conform to the demands of society. In order to develop a good rapport with student, a teacher should select the most important activity. Our answer about option number C, pay individual attention. तापर क्वेश्चन, the best reason because of which a teacher can command respect from his students is if. Our answer about option number A, he follows innovative practices in the class. Development of moral values among students is very important. What would you do to develop the same? Our answer about option number D, present yourself as a role model. Teaching aids are useful because they. Our answer about option number D, make learning more meaningful. Teachers' classroom behavior should be good because. Our answer about option number C, environment would be conducive to learning. You have a class which is very heterogeneous in height. You should allow a sitting arrangement. Our answer about option number B, where smaller students are allowed to sit in such a way that they can see and participate easily in class activities. Which one of the following may not be the best reason for cheating in the classroom examination? Our answer about option number D, self prestige. आज वीडियो रे आमे एति क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा। जदि वीडियो भल लागुची लाइक करंतु आ फ्रेंड्स मानक सहित शेयर भी करंतु। आहुरी जदि वीडियो देखिया चाहते ताले चैनल रे बहुत सारा वीडियो अपलोड अच्छी तो जाइए से सब देखि नियंतु। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब मते करंतु। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।